let's do the Spider-Man rant, because again, all crime and all superheroes are completely reactionary, okay? They never like keep tabs on Magneto or Apocalypse. Are you building another underground missile silo? No, okay. He built it again! Oh, let's go punch him in his missile silo. Here's the thing. Spider-Man swings through New York City, practically barefoot, touching every surface from subway underpasses to the sidewalk where all gum, pigeon droppings, and broken Heineken bottles litter everywhere. He is sticking to walls, to windows. He is sticking to hotels. He's touching taxis. Spider-Man stinks. He wears the same outfit under his regular clothes. He is a teenager most of the time. There are no air holes. Those are his gym clothes. Sticky gym clothes. Do you think he's washing them every day? Do you think he has a closet full of backups? He's a broke teenager and a college student with a part-time job photographing himself at the Daily Bugle, the original Marvel OnlyFans? I don't think so. Give me more pictures of Spider-Man from behind. You're really hyper-fixated on that. It's February, I need more pictures of Spider-Man. Y'all know he's broke. He doesn't have a dresser full of backups. He's Spider-Man. He's broke. That's why we like him. Has anyone ever worn the same cosplay the whole weekend at the con? You might not want to show people that. If you raise your arm, we'll smell and we'll know. The only thing that's why so many versions of Spider-Man have webbing in the armpits. That's how often he washes it. So I'm telling you, Spider-Man smells bad, except Miles Morales, who probably just smells like Axe body spray to cover up the weed. But if you're in a building and it's on fire and Spider-Man lands, boom, I'll swing you to safety. Nah, B, I'm good. What are we, 26 stories up? I'm gonna jump. Just can you do the hammock web thing? Oh my God, man, close your legs. What are you doing? I'm so flexible. I'm gonna jump. Spider-Man isn't even paid to save lives. It's a hobby.